Good morning, everyone. So, today we will study number system, and the topic is in exercise number 1.5 and 1.6. The topic of today's lecture is operation on real numbers and laws of exponent in real numbers. Let's check it out. What are they? First,
Addition and subtraction of irrational numbers.
a under root x plus or minus b under root x plus or minus c under root x and equals to under root x in bracket a plus minus b plus minus c. How I'm taking this? I'm taking it as, let's say, a and under root x, as the rational part of all these numbers are same. The irrational part of all these numbers are same. Therefore, these numbers are basically alike. They are same they are like numbers. Therefore, out of this we can take under root x as common. As soon as we take under root x common, what remains is a plus or minus b plus or minus c. Means if the positive sign is there, plus sign is there, you will add them. If negative sign subtraction is there, you will subtract them. Next, after this, let's go to next part. Let's take this one. A under root x plus minus b under root y. Now the irrational part of a and b both are different. Therefore, they are not like terms and we cannot do anything to them. They will remain same. Next, let's take an example. 5 under root 3 plus 5 under root 2 plus 6 under root 3. These are three terms. Under root 3 terms are common in 2 and 5 is common in 2. What we can do? We can take out under root 3 from the common term, common from two terms, 5 under root 3 and 6 under root 3. From 5 under root 3 and from 6 under root 3, we'll take out the common term under root 3. And what we get under root 3, 5 plus 6 plus 5 under root 2. Now this is 11 under root 3 and 5 under root 2. Now under root 3 and under root 2 both are different. So these terms are not like, we cannot add them further. Next, rationalizing the denominator. How we can rationalize the denominator? It's simple. N is for numerator, D is for denominator. Just multiplying the denominator up and down so that we can rationalize them. This is done when our denominator is irrational number or in a form of irrational number. Let's take an example. It's 2 upon 1 minus under root 2. Now I told you before also, if anything added to an irrational number or subtracted to an irrational number, or irrational number is added or subtracted to any integer, it remains irrational. Even if an integer is multiplied or divided to a irrational number, it remains irrational. Next, except 0. Do remember, in multiplication except 0 and division also except 0, if we multiply or divide any integer except 0 to a irrational number, it remains irrational. Now this is what we have, 2 upon 1 minus under root 2. This we want to rationalize. We will multiply and divide by changing the sign of intermediate term. जो भी इसके बीच वाला sign होगा, we'll change that. After changing that sign, we'll multiply and divide both. Because this, if we cut this out, this will be 1. Anything multiplied with 1 remains same. So this will becomes 1 square minus under root 2 square, and on numerator it becomes 2 into 1 minus under root 2. So we'll get the answer 2 bracket 1 minus under root 2, and below that, as 1 square is 1 and under root 2 square is 2. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. The answer will be minus 2 bracket 1 minus under root 2. Next, now there are some properties also. Some properties of exponent. Let's say first property is, if this is a raised power n and a raised power m, both the powers are different but base are same. As the base are same, the powers will get added. This I have taught you before also. Next, a raised power n bracket m. Now as the powers are to one another, therefore they will get multiplied. A raised power n upon a raised power m. This shows that as the base are same, the powers will get subtracted. an, bn. Now the powers are same but base are different. So we can take power as 1 and we can multiply the base. Same can be done in division also. Now this one is important. A raised power minus n equals to a upon n equals to 1 upon a raised power n. Now how we can do this? It's simple. Anything raised power negative power is always we always reverse that number and that raised to the power. So either you can write it 1 upon a raised power n, or you can write it as 1 upon a whole raised power n. Next, an into bm. Now both powers and base both are different, so we cannot do anything to them. They will remain the same. Last, on the basis of this, I would like to ask one question to you. What will be the property for a raised power n and b raised power n? Will there be any property or not? This you have to do yourself. You have to use all the properties which you know and let me know whether this can be done or not. I'll explain it later. Next, some more properties. N upon m. Now the powers are on fractional form. If they are fractional, any power in upon range is basically makes it under root form, and as we know the power to the power is n. This can be changed in this form. Let's take an example. 2 raised power 5 upon 3. This 3 will becomes the cube root of 2 and 5 will be its power. Next, if it is in this form, this is also very important. As we know, the powers get multiplied in this form, so we multiply them. It will become a minus 1 upon nm. Now what about nm? Nm will remain same and a will get reverse. It will be 1 upon a raised to power 1 upon nm. I want to know, can this upon power be changed? No, you cannot write nm upon something or a bracket nm. You cannot write it like this. This is the only form you can write it. Minus a raised power minus n. Even if it is negative, it will get reversed and n will remain same. If the n is even number, the answer will be positive. If the n is odd number, the answer will be negative. Next, these are some more properties from your book also. It's written, if r is a rational number and s is a irrational number, then r plus s or r minus s is irrational. This is what I taught you before. Further, if r is non-zero rational, then rs and r upon s are irrational. It is non-zero. This I told you in the start also in this lecture. And these are the same properties for under root. Under root ab can be written as under root a into under root b. Under root a upon b can be written further like this. Under root a plus under root b, this is a plus b, a minus b, which is a square minus b square. This is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. A plus b whole square can be written as a square plus 2 under root a under root b plus b square. This is simple. These properties are very well known to you. This is your book. Let's practice some questions also. Let's say, what is question number 1? Question number 1 is 2 minus under root 5. Let's read the question first. Exercise 1.5. And the question is, Classify the following number as rational or irrational. Let's see what it is. We have to classify whether first was 2 minus under root 5 is rational or irrational. As you know, anything added or subtracted to irrational number or irrational number being added or subtracted from any number remains irrational. So this will be irrational, simple property. Next one, second one is bracket 3 plus under root 23 minus under root 23. We have to solve this out. We will open the bracket 3 plus under root 23 minus under root 23. Both these terms are alike, therefore the answer will be 3. This will get cancelled out, and 3 is a rational number. Next, let's see another one. That is this question. And the second question is simplify each of the following expression. And the expression is 3 plus under root 3, 2 plus under root 2. Can this be done? Yes, this can be easily done. How we will do this? Let's see. First is 3 plus under root 3 and 2 plus under root 2. We have to simplify them. This is under root. So we take 3. First 3 will get multiplied to both of them. Then this 3 under root 3 will get multiplied to both of them. So we will write it as 6 plus 3 under root 2 plus 2 under root 3 plus under root 3 into under root 2. Now this further can be written as 6 plus 3 under root 2 plus 2 under root 3 plus under root 6. 3 into 2 is 6. Hence, this will be our answer. This will be our answer. Next was the very easy one. Let's take which one? Let's take the fourth one. All of them are easy. You can do it your own also. Under root 5 minus under root 2 bracket under root 5 plus under root 2. This is simple. A minus B and A plus B, that is A square minus B square, that will be under root 5 square minus under root 2 square, and answer will be 5 minus 2, that is 3. Next number, let's see what it is. Now next one is this. Recall phi is defined as the ratio of the circumference, say C, of a circle to its diameter d, that is phi equals to C upon d. It seems that to contradict the fact that phi is irrational. How will we resolve the contradiction? Okay, a circumference. So what is the circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r and diameter is d. That is, and we know that value of phi is circumference area of circumference upon d, means upon 2r, that is phi. Now coming to the fourth question, that is represent under root 9.3 on number line. This I have taught you before, so I guess you will be able to do this. Now this one, rationalizing the denominator, which we have studied today, and the question is rationalizing 1 upon root 1 under root 7. So we'll solve this out. Let's see how we can do this. Now we can rationalize this. This is given. To rationalize this, we will multiply with the irrational number on both the sides. The answer will be root 7 upon 7. This will be our answer. Let's say next question is, take the fourth part, that is 1 upon root 7 minus 2. But how can we rationalize this? We can simply rationalizing this by again multiplying it with the same denominator by converting its sign, root 7 plus 2 on root 7 plus 2. We convert the sign so that we can make it in the form of a minus b, a plus b. Hence answer will be under root 7 plus 2 upon a minus b. A plus b will gives you under root 7 square minus 2 square, that is under root 7 plus 2 upon 7 minus 4 gives you under root 7 plus 2 upon 3, and this is your answer. Now going back to the same thing, back to your book, we have laws of exponent and real numbers. This we have studied. We'll come to the question, directly to the questions. You will be able to do all these type of questions. I'll give some questions also. Let's see first question first. That is, find 64 1 by 2. How you will find the value of 64 1 by 2? I'm writing 2-3 questions for just to save the time. This is question number 1. Find the value of 64 raised to power 1 by 2. And how we will solve this? We know that what is the value of under root 2, or we can change this. 8 square is 64 raised to power 1 by 2. Either way, this mean we can do it will be 8 into 8 to 8 raised to power 2 into 1 by 2. 2 by 2 will cancel, answer will be 8. Otherwise you can simply write it under root 64, that is 8. By any mean you can do. Let's take second question, that is 32 raised to power 1 by 5. 32 raised to power 1 by 5. How we can solve this? We know what is the value of 32. It is, if you take out the factors, 32 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, means 5 times 2 will gives you 35. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. 2 raised to power 5 is actually 32 and raised to power 1 by 5. How we can solve this? Now again it will be 2, 5 into 1 by 5. 5 to 5 cancel, answer will be 2. Now find the value of this one. Again this we know, this will be 3 raised to power 2 raised to power 3 by 2, and we can solve it further. 3 2 into 3 by 2 will gives you 3 raised to power 3, that is 27. One more out of this is, let's say third one from question number 2. This question is same. Find the value of 16 3 by 4. Again this will be like 16 is 2 raised to power 4 all raised to power 3 by 4, that is 2 in 4 into 3 by 4. 4 to 4 cancel and answer will be 2 raised to power 3, that is 8. Now we'll take the third one, and the third one is simplify. Let's take the question first. Simplify 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 2 by 3 into 2 raised to power 1 by 5. You have to simplify 2 raised to power 2 by 3 dot means multiply 2 raised to power 1 by 5. Again we know the base are same, the powers will get multiplied. We'll write the third question also. This is we will solve this one also because these are very easy one. This will solve. It's given 2 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power 1 by 5. So as the powers are base are same, powers will get added. So this will be 2 by 3, 1 by 5. Further we'll solve this as 2, 3 and 5 is 15. 2 raised to power 15 as base and upon 3 into 5, 5 to 10 plus 3. The answer will be 2 raised power 13 by 15. Over here 11 raised power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. This will gives you 11 raised power 2 minus 1 by 4. That will gives you 11 1 by 4. And with this your chapter get over. I hope you will be able to do all the questions of your NCERT book now. Your chapter 1 is complete and you are supposed to do the questions from NCERT exemplar also. Okay.
For more videos, please like, share and subscribe. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.